Welcome back, folks, to my channel, La Geometry Mathematics. I'm doing Exponents grade 10. There was a request that I should do a problem which is of this nature. Now, I'm doing that for you. What I need to tell you is the fact that with exponents, you make it a point that you know all the laws of exponents. Number two, you must be able to apply all the laws of exponents. And number three, remember all the base must be written as prime numbers. No base should be expressed as any number except the prime number. Now, I'm going to take you through this problem step by step, and I would show you all the laws of exponents that are applied here, which you must know. Now, number one, I said these must be written as prime numbers. You see 9, 12, 4, 9 are not prime numbers. Now, I'm factorizing 9 in such a way that it is a prime number. That must be 3 squared. Now remember, 3 squared was raised to power 3x multiplied by, I'm factorizing 12 in such a way that the factors are prime numbers. That would be 2 to power 2 multiplied by 3. Remember, 2 to power 2 is 4. 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. That 12 was raised to power 2x plus 2. Then all divide by. 4 is not a prime number. It should be expressed as a prime number. 4 is 2 to power 2. Therefore was raised to power 2x plus 4. Multiplied by 9 is not a prime number. 3 to power 2 raised to power 4x plus 1. Now, remember this, guys. And B, if you have a to power n raised to power n, that means a to power n times n. Same base, different exponents, you multiply the exponents. Now, it means here, in each one of them, I'm going to remove the brackets by multiplying out the exponents. Let's do that. That is 3. I'm multiplying 2 by 3x, which is 6x. I have applied that law. Now, another one that you must remember is the one that says different base, same exponent. That is a to power n, b to power n. Remember that. I'm about to apply this one here. That is 2 to power 2 times 3 raised to power 2x plus a 2. Now, again, don't forget that when you multiply this by this, you multiply this one by this one first, you multiply this one by that one. That gives you 2 to power 4x. I have multiplied this by that. Now I'm multiplying this by that, plus a 4. Now I'm coming to this one. Remember, if there's nothing there, it means 1. I'm multiplying 1 by this. It would be 3 to power 2x. 1 times 2x plus 1 times plus 2, which is a plus 2. Coming to this one again, we are applying that. 2 times 2x, 4x plus 2 times 4, which is 8, multiplied by 3 to power 2 times 4x, which is 8x, 2 times 1, which is 2. Next thing now that you must remember is the fact that a, let's use this one is going to pencil now. A to power n divided by a to power n is actually a to power n minus n. Don't forget that. Where am I now? I'm multiplying, dividing, and multiplying. I'm going to take all the base 3 and apply that law. That would be 3 to power 6x. Now you see there I've got 8x plus, I'm taking that one, 2x, I'm taking this one, minus 8x. There was no constant there. There's a constant 2 there. Then it's a plus 2. I'm taking this one, it is positive, it will be negative in the numerator. Multiplied by, I'm now dealing with base 2. Base 2, I've got 4x there. I'm looking for another base 2, there's base 2. I've got 4x which is positive, it must be negative. I'm going to base 2, there's a constant 4, it's a plus 4. Then we go there, there's a constant plus 8 which is going to be minus 8. We add like terms in this expression, that would be 3. 6x plus 2x is 8x. Minus 8x is a 0. It means all these are cancelled. I'm left with a 0. 2 minus 2 is also a 0. It is a 0 then, multiplied by 4x minus 4x, they cancel. I've got plus 4 minus 8. I subtract and take the sign of the bigger number. Now, remember here the fact that a to power 0 is 1. Any number to power 0 is 1. That means that 3 to power 0 is 1. Multiplied by, remember that any number to power negative exponent is y divided by that number to the positive exponent. That means that this will be 1 divided by 2 to power 4, which is 1 times 1 is a 1. 2 to power 4 is 16. Folks, I want to remind you that the laws of exponents are very important, and those two definitions are very important in simplifying this. Another thing, remember all the base must be expressed as prime factors. What is a prime factor? A prime factor is any number that can be divided by itself and 1 only. Meaning that there should be no other number that can divide into this except for 3 and 1. Thank you very much, folks. Go to our page, like it, share it with your friends, leave a positive comment. Peace.